Every parent loses their temper sometimes, not because they don't care, not because they lack values, but because pressure sometimes exceeds capacity. When this happens, many parents believe the damage is already done, that trust is broken, that authority is lost, that calm parenting has failed. But what matters most is not the loss of calm, it is what comes next. Children do not experience relationships as a series of perfect moments. They experience them through rupture and repair. Rupture happens when connection breaks, through shouting, through harsh words, through withdrawal. Repair happens when connection is restored. Repair is not an apology designed to erase what happened. It is a process that helps a child make sense of what they experienced. Without repair, children often internalize the rupture. They may assume they caused it, or that anger ends connection, or that relationships are fragile. Repair changes that story. It communicates that connection can bend without breaking, that strong feelings can be acknowledged without blame, and that mistakes do not end safety. Calm parenting does not aim to avoid rupture entirely. It aims to normalize repair, because repair is where trust is built, not through perfection, but through reliability. When a parent returns after losing their temper, they show the child that the relationship matters more than being right, that emotions can be named rather than acted out, and that responsibility includes owning impact. This is not permissive. It does not remove boundaries. It models accountability without shame. Children who experience repair learn something essential, that conflict does not end connection, that mistakes can be addressed, and that relationships can recover. This learning carries forward into friendships, into school, into future relationships. Repair does not require long explanations. It requires presence, clarity, and a return to steadiness. Calm parenting is not proven in the moments you stay calm. It is proven in the moments you return. Return to connection. Return to safety. Return to yourself. If you lost your temper today, that is not the end. It is the place where repair can begin. And repair, done consistently, builds deep trust over time. This moment is enough.